Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Facebook Reels, and in today's video I will give you 3 methods by which you can use to create your Facebook Reels video or photos without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook app or Facebook account. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Reels. Then scroll down right here, go ahead and click on Create Reels. Then here you go. It's going to take you to this particular interface right here. One of the first way to create your Facebook Reels is that you can easily live record your video on Facebook right here. So for that, go ahead and click on camera. So you can do front record of a camera, or you can also switch to back camera. So if you want to switch to back camera, simply click on here. This allows you to switch to back camera. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here, and then it's allowing me to switch to back camera. If you want to switch to front camera, click on here again, and it will take you back to front camera. Once you set your camera, you can easily click on here to start your live record right here. So once you are done with whatever you want to record, then click on this white icon right here to stop your record on Facebook page. So I'm going to go ahead and now and click on this particular white icon. Just like so, and it's going to export into this particular tab right here. Once it exports to this particular tab, you can slide this way and add different things. You can add audio to your reels right here, and then you can decide to mute your audio right here and then turn on the sound right here. Go ahead and you can easily add whatever music of your choice into it. Once you add the music, then you are done. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on next right here, and then you are here, and go ahead and enter your title, and go ahead and enter your title, your hashtag right here, and hit on share now. And this is one of the first way to create your first Facebook Reels. So let's take a look at it, another way to create your Facebook. So another way to create your Facebook Reels right here is to make use of template right here. Make use of Facebook template right here. So for that, go ahead and click on template. Then you have different templates available right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different templates right here. So however, if you want to choose any of the templates right here, so let's say for instance we want to use this particular trending template of Arab man right here. So go ahead and click on the template right here, and then here you go. So you can see the preview of the template, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on select clips. So once you click on select clips, it's going to take you to your gallery. You can either select video file or picture files. So go ahead and click on your gallery right here. You have video, you have photos, you have camera rolls, and you can also scroll down right here and add image or video from WhatsApp or from Facebook or movies, as the case may be. And these are all the ways that you can easily click in video or image from the folders right here. You can also get from the download folder, as the case may be, just like so. So if I want to use just some of the picture randomly on my camera, I'll go ahead and select camera right here. So you can see my camera right here. So we can select picture. I'm selecting about just 3 pictures right here. I'll go ahead and click on next. Once I click on next, then you have it right here. So you can see, and then if you are satisfied with the template, go ahead and simply go ahead and click on next right here, and then you are here. You can see the interface and how the video is going to simply look like, just like what you see right here. And then you can add text right here. You can add, and then to the templates you can add text, you can add effect, you can add sticker, as the case may be. If you want to add effect, click on effect, then you have different effects right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add 8K resolution right here. So if you are satisfied with the effect, then you are good to go. If you are not satisfied, continue to slide in until you are able to get the right effect that you want for your video, just like so. So you can see there are lots effects right here. So I'm going to go back to 8K effects right here. So you can see 8K Ultra HD, just like so. Then you are good to go. So go ahead and click on the check mark right here, and then you have your image being converted into a photo right here. So once you are done, go ahead and click on here, proceed. Then here we go. Go ahead and make sure you enter your title, your hashtag, and go ahead and click on share now. It's that simple. So this is the second way by which you can create your first Facebook quiz on your Facebook account. The very third way I'm going to show you, let's go ahead and check out. I'm going to go back and then discard change, just like so. I'm going to close this tab right here. The very last one I want to show you here on how to create your Facebook Reels is when you are trying to create Facebook Reels and you want to change the background of the Reels. So for that, I'm going to slide in this way. So what you want to do right here is to simply click on green screen right here. When you click on green screen, it's going to take you right here. Then you can add different types of green screen into the background of your video. You can take a look at the background I have on my video right here. I might decide to change it to scene. If I click on any of the scene right here, boom, it automatically be applied into my video right here. So when I'm talking right here, the background is going to be permanent. So once you are satisfied, you can scroll down right here and choose different types of template right here, as the case may be. Okay, so I'm going to use this as an example. You can as well check on your camera roll. If you have a custom background that you want to use, pick them from your camera roll right here. Or better still, you can go ahead and download a background that you want to use. Use it, download it on your phone, and then select the background right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to use this background. Boom, it has been successfully added right here. Go back to scene and switch to this particular one right here, just like what you see right here. So once you're satisfied with this, go ahead and click on done right here, and then you are done and start your recording. For you to start your recording, simply click on this icon right here and then start. Done, just like so. It take you right here. You can add different things right there. You can export this video to the timeline. You can add sticker, you can add text, you can add effect, and then you can add audio as the case may be. You can slide in this way and then you are done. Go ahead and click on this check mark right here to proceed. Then it's going to take you right here from the top. Go ahead and make sure you type in the title of the video, the hashtag as much as possible, add it to your video. Then come down below right here, click on share now, and the video will be posted successful into your Facebook group. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to grow successful Facebook groups account, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.